So the short seller covering right now. Are we gonna have $1 for BBY because we hunted BBY in our live streaming? And yesterday when we did this chart analysis update before the market closed by 6 minutes before the market close, we said this flag is about to break around the 33 cent and we're gonna have profit taken over the 35 and 39. We have this profit taken in pre-market and now BBY is pumping. There is profit taken now, it's hit around 53, and there's other profit taken we're going to discuss right now in our video, and we're going to discuss with BBY later CFRX because we hunted for it in our live streaming and we have a bit of sell-off, and we warned our hunter to not worry because the price actually will reverse from this bottom. Okay, so for CFRX, have to be patient. As long as we hold over the $1.60, we're going to have a reversal. Exactly. And we said the profit taken is around the $2.09. If we go back and check CFRX, of course, we hit our profit taken around the $2.09 by the cent. Around this wick here, we hit $2.09, price went down. So let's get right to it and discuss first BBBY. The price jumped from our flag that we discussed yesterday before the market closed by 6 minutes. We always do update before the market close and after our live streaming to the update for breakout zone, for right entry point for those stocks, because those stocks are pretty volatile and we have to update the charts. That's why the price broke the 33 cent. Let me just go in smaller picture and see when we have this breakout. Here in this green candle, I spotted a huge volume change. Yeah, 9 p.m. CET 55, and the price pumped after hours after that. And now we are around 48. As we discussed in our live streaming, as long as we hold our box, we're gonna have continuation for this pump. Many of you not trusting BBY anymore. And you told me that in our live streaming. And what we said, of course, we don't have to trust any stock. It's not even BBY, any stock for that matter. But we have to trust our strategy and we have to be confident with our strategy. Because if you put your trust in outside factors, you'll be in stress and you'll be in doubt because we can control like this kind of thing. Stocks, weather, your wife, whatever. Our strategy, we can actually tweak and adjust and edit dependent on our data that we put in our strategy. So now, BBY held our box, the 33 cent, and now breaking from the resistance around the 48. So what's gonna happen? The 48 is the resistance, and now the profit taking triggered around the 53. If we're still holding over the 48, is mean a continuation for BBY price action. The second profit taken should trigger around the 61.77 profit taken. Let me just take this off because we're gonna break it right now. The 61 should be our profit taken, and the support should be now around the 48. Oh man, this one is gonna bump 54%. Even though we have still the news about the bankruptcy, at the same time, this is the first time that we have a genuine buying pressure after 3 months of downtrending market. Look at this huge selling pressure. That's why a lot of people don't trust BBY anymore, because last 3 months we've been trading down. Last February, I think. Now, yeah, almost 2 months. We've been trending down big time, and the price didn't have a genuine buying pressure or over 50% jump like this one. That's why we have volatility back for BBY, and a lot of people talking about the squeeze, $1 mark, but we have to discuss the realistic price action. Here we always talk about the realistic price action. We have to first test those level of resistance. You know why? Around the 61, because the short seller have to cover first there, and we're gonna initiate another squeeze when we break the 61. Stay tuned for this update, and of course we're gonna cover BBY tomorrow on our live streaming, and we're gonna do a pre-market update in our Discord and Patreon as usually do to discuss the right entry and exit for BBY. Next up we got CFRX. Oh boy, this one we have a huge roller coaster ride. We hunted this stock in our live streaming, in airport actually, and we held held over the $1.60. We got the profit taken actually triggered around the $1.90. Price got sold off. Many of our hunter was scared because they bought around this profit taken, and they kind of worried that the price will drop even more. We have to have confidence. When we say we have a strategy, it means even if the price go down, up, down, you don't care because we didn't break our support, the $1.60. As we said, as long as we hold the $1.60, we don't have a sell-off, and we're gonna have a reversal instead toward the $2.09. And we hit our profit taken. We have the profit taken triggered for us below that because this stock is pretty volatile. We anticipate a huge selling pressure. And after we take our profit taking, guess what? Price plunged down. That's why we suggest always take your profit. Now we're still holding and accumulating over our AMA. So this is good. For CFRX, if we were gonna have another pump, we need to hold again over the $1.60, preferably over this AMA, and breaking the $2.06. Maybe we're gonna have power hour. Of course, that's why I put alert here. After we break the $2.06, the first profit taken should be around the $2.63. Let me just check how much we can do from here. Yes, 29%, not bad, not bad. So I will put this on my watch list. If we broke the $2.63, gonna do another update, chart analysis update for CFRX for entry and exit for it. We got another alert. Let me just check this one. GMDA. Oh man, it's breaking. I try to trade this one and do chart analysis update for it before it run. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next update.